Step into the enchanting Banquet of Hoshena, a groundbreaking dining experience that transcends the ordinary, promising an illusionary feast for the senses. Immerse yourself in a fantastical world where flavors and emotions intertwine, bringing kings, queens, fairies, and volcanoes to life on your table. Curious for more? Watch our video to the end. Located at the LUCE Restaurant, Intercontinental Singapore, the Banquet of Hoshena is a unique, interactive dining experience that transforms you from a mere diner into a participant in an epic fairy tale. In the mystical kingdom of Hoshena, a prophecy warns of doom as the others invade, bringing fear and sadness. To protect the kingdom, the king banishes positivity. Now, the queen invites you to a magical 7-course dinner to restore its lost radiance. The story comes to life using cutting-edge 3D visual technology, image mapping, experiential props, and compelling storytelling. Each dish in the 7-course menu is meticulously crafted to correspond with the storyline, representing a distinct emotion. This is a shared experience, with each table accommodating up to 8 guests. Due to its uniqueness and intimacy, it's a great choice for birthday or anniversary celebrations. The Banquet of Hoshena is available on Thursdays to Sundays for dinner reservations for a limited time, so don't miss the opportunity to experience it by yourself. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on my upcoming videos, where I bring more incredible experiences to life. For anyone inspired to set off on an adventure of their own and witness all these marvels in person, RSPU Travel is your go-to partner, specializing in creating memorable journeys in multiple countries around the globe, including Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Europe, and more. RSPU Travel has the expertise to turn your travel dreams into reality. Your next extraordinary adventure begins with RSPU Travel.